So, I want to show you something really neat that you can do when you want to calculate your mortgage. We have an app. It's on our website. You can get to it through the link tree on my Instagram as well, and you can scan this barcode as well. You'll need a friend to do that because you can't scan it with your own phone when you're from your own screen. But you can put this address into your browser, and you're gonna be able to download this app. And what you can do with this app is you can go into the mortgage calculator, and I've done a little bit of a simulation here for you. Um, the question is, how much would my mortgage cost me, right? So we're looking at rates of 5.4 right now. That's as low as we get right now for the first time home buyers that have insured mortgage. Obviously, that has to be spread no more than 25 years to qualify for the insured rate. And this is an accelerated biweekly payment of $1,444 every 2 weeks for a purchase of $500,000. If you want to see how that looks on the monthly basis, it's going to be 2,888.62. And if you get an offer from another brokerage that might not have the access to our rates, might be 6.5. This is now September 2023. Then the payment obviously jumps, but you can really play with this very easily, and it changes as you go. So we have this available for you on our websites, wherever you see my signature or my link tree or my skills bio on all my social media. You can find it, and you can scan that from here as well. Or again, use this URL to download this app to your phone. It's available for Android and for iPhone. Enjoy.